Check, check. Check. Loud and clear.
29,000 feet, here we come. Boom!
Right, time to get serious. And let's go. Rock and roll.
200 Los Angeles.
It's not oxygen, that's helium.
Congratulations, looks like you beat your previous record.
Yes, please. Cool. 28,000 feet. Amazing. 29,000 feet. We've done it. Woohoo! Got it. Let's do it. Boom.
Good afternoon. I'm just phoning for some advice, please. We are operating a business in Torrance, we manufacture aircraft, and we wanted to do a climb test to 29,000 feet. And I wondered if you could advise us best place to do it. We're thinking of doing it over Catalina Island. The Bakersfield area, yes. Okay. Okay, excellent. That's great. Thank you very much. Okay, thanks. So he said there's a lot of stuff going on high level over Catalina, so he suggests we find a flight plan from KTOA, to Foxtrot, and back by a full Scotland. Okay, cool. There we go. Cool. Okay. I'm keen.
So guys, we're actually we're draining the tanks. We've got MoGas in there, and just in case it gives us a little bit of extra power, we're going to drain the tanks of the MoGas and just put 100% 100 low lead in. Now get the out of here.
Up, and away.
From here.
Check, check. Check. Okay, loud and clear.
29,000 feet, here we come. Boom!
Right, time to get serious. Torrance ground, experimental Sling 135, Whiskey Tango is ready to pick up flight plan.
Sling 135, Whiskey Tango, Torrance ground, roger, let me look for it.
It's yours?
Yep. You breathe and then you can actually hear it working. Yeah, that's all good. Right, perfect.
Let's take care of the hangovers.
And Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, clearance available, advise ready.
Ready, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, you're clear to Torrance Airport, fly runway heading, intercept the LAX 170 radial, expect radar vectors LAX, Victor 23, Gorman, Victor 23, Shafter VOR direct, climb and maintain 3,000, expect flight level 29010 minutes after departure, departure frequency is 134.9er, squawk 4612.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango is cleared to the Torrance Airport via runway heading LAX. Intercept the LAX 170 radial, radar vectors to LAX, Victor 23 to Gorman, Victor 23 to the Shafter VOR direct, climb 3,000, expect flight level 29010 minutes after departure, frequency 134.9er, squawk 4612, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, readback is correct.
Very good.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, runway 29er right, taxi via Echo Alpha Juliet.
Echo Alpha Juliet to 29er right, thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Very nice. We left the champagne for when we reach. Good wind.
Okay, we are ready to go. Doesn't matter that it's not in one.
Tango, hold
I think I'm
short,
gonna put it in one.
29er right.
Hold short at 29er right, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, fly runway heading, running 29er right, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, 29er right, clear for takeoff, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Orange Tower Robinson, 888 Delta Victor, antennas west, be safe departure.
Option 888 Delta Victor Torrance Tower, runway 29 left, clear for takeoff, West PCH approved, company left base.
Roger, looking, clear to go 29 left 8 Delta.
And let's go. Rock and roll. Oh.
Option 66 Charlie, upon landing, inbound flight test.
66
Traffic.
I love the way it says traffic. Okay.
25 Whiskey Tango, the helicopter off your left high to the side will be turning southbound. Contact SoCal departure, good flight.
Contact SoCal, good day, 5 Whiskey Tango. SoCal departure, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango is flying runway heading at 800 for 3000 right now.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, so departure, identify and maintain 3000.
Climb maintain 3000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
November 13 Whiskey Tango, radar contact 1 mile northwest of Torrance and traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles southbound on TK 3700 unverified.
Looking for traffic, 5 Whiskey Tango. Right now.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, proceed direct at Los Angeles, New York, intercept Victor 23.
Direct Los Angeles via Victor 23, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, contact approach on 128.75.
128.75, 5 Whiskey Tango. Approach experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango is 5000 for flight level 290.
1,000.
Climb and maintain 10,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, fly heading at 340, amend your altitude, maintain, let's maintain 9,000. Maintain 9,000, heading 340.
9,000 heading 340, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, proceed direct Gorman, resume navigation, climb maintain 10,000.
Direct Gorman, resume navigation 10,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Have you got your mask?
Yes, it's just down there.
So one of us should always be on the microphone. Should I put mine on?
Yep.
Okay.
Approach Gulfstream 902.5
Yep. Okay, cool. How should we do this? You want to get ready?
7
Right.
Southeast, Fillmore BOR 3,300, advise information.
Perfect. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, we're ready. Rock and roll. At least we used to wearing masks.
Yeah. Comes in handy for something.
Yeah.
Approach Sling 135 Whiskey Tango. Just wondering if we'll be able to climb any higher. We are trying to do a ceiling test for this aircraft. 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango is waiting for the next controller. They'll start climbing you now. Maintain 10,000, contact LA Center 125.8.
125.8. Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango. Approach experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango is 10,000.
Number 135 Whiskey Tango, Los Angeles Center, good afternoon. Expect for the climb here shortly. The Burbank altimeter 29er 89er.
29er 89er. Thanks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
00.
We're ready.
Let's go.
We want to go up.
T200 Los Angeles Center, good afternoon. Climb and
It's not
maintain
oxygen, that's
16,000,
helium.
resume normal speed. Burbank altimeter.
So maybe they want to take us straight to 19 and they realize we're in a sling that we're going to climb at the same rate that a Falcon Heavy climbs at.
5 Whiskey Tango, climb maintain 14,000.
Climb maintain 14,000. 5 Whiskey Tango.
Wow, we're dealing
5
with
Whiskey Tango, same intentions.
We'd like to go up to flight level 290. We're doing a ceiling test for the aircraft. 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, roger. And you can take any sort of vectors. You don't need to be level flight.
Affirmative. 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, roger. Flight heading 005, and I'll have further vectors for you shortly. Climb and maintain, flight level 200.
Fly heading 005 and flight level 200. 5 Whiskey Tango. LA Center, terminal 135 Whiskey Tango is 16,300 for flight level 290.
Number 135 Whiskey Tango, Los Angeles Center, thank you. Number 5 Whiskey Tango, flight heading 345.
Heading of 345, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, flighting 315.
315, 5 Whiskey Tango.
But this airplane still climbs like a homesick angel. We should get a shot just before the before we get to 26. There's a bit more to go. You want to pose for a little shot?
There we go.
Cool.
Congratulations. Looks like you beat your previous record.
Yes, please. Cool.
Wow, it's beautiful up here.
Yep. 28,000 feet. Amazing.
November 5 Whiskey Tango, I just want to confirm you were given your change destination at Torrance? Affirmative, our destination is Torrance, Whiskey Tango.
Wow, we're almost at 29K. What should we do when we get up there?
Pull the parachute?
We should. Yeah. Wow. You know, Matt, climbing so damn well. Why don't we call them up and see if they'll let us climb to 30,000 feet after we hit 29? Just keep the climb going. If they don't clear us, too bad, and we head back.
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it.
35 Whiskey Tango, would like to climb to flight level 30 if you can accommodate. Number 5 Whiskey Tango, climb and maintain level 300. 5 maintain, flight level 300, 5 Whiskey Tango.
29,000 feet, we've done it!
Woohoo!
November 5 Whiskey Hotel, I'm gonna need getting you back here in about probably 4 minutes. Sorry, November 5 Whiskey Tango, about how long until you can turn back? Just a few minutes, we're nearly there, thank you, 5 Whiskey Tango.
30,000, let's go.
Got it, let's do it! Boom!
5 Whiskey Tango is ready for rerouting. 5 Whiskey Tango, roger, turn left, fly heading up to 230. Left heading 230, thanks 5 Whiskey Tango. Number 5 Whiskey Tango, descend and maintain flight level 220. Descend and maintain flight level 220, 5 Whiskey Tango. Number 5 Whiskey Tango, having a new routing advised and ready. And ready for that new route, 5 Whiskey Tango. 5 Whiskey Tango, clear direct Lake Hughes, which is Lima Hotel Sierra. Then join Victor Route 459. The Seal Beach, which is Sierra Leone, India, and direct Torrance Airport. Number 135 Whiskey Tango, cross 10 miles north of Lake Hughes at maintain 15,000.
At maintain 15,000, 10 north of Lake Hughes, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, descend and maintain 10,000.
Descend and maintain 10,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
You mind if I take off oxygen and I just see what it's like to pass out?
Number 5 Whiskey Tango, contact LA Center 124.6, or correction, SoCal approach 1246.
1246, 5 Whiskey Tango. Approach, experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango is 11,800 for 9,000.
Number 135 Whiskey Tango, SoCal approach, roger, Burbank, altimeter 2988.
2988, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, flighting 180, vector's final approach course, I'll lower shortly.
Vector 180 for final approach course 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend and maintain 8,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
November 5 Whiskey Tango, descend and maintain 7,000, contact approach 125.35.
Descend and maintain 7,000 and contact 125.35, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Number 135 Whiskey Tango, SoCal, first descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, take time for first requested.
We'd like to approach the visual, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, turn left heading 120, effective for descent, descend and maintain 3,000.
120 and 3,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, runway 29 right, clear to land.
29 right, clear to land, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Well
done. That is brilliant. Well done, Captain Jordan.